Kumshi benta banle pendon burom ya kasingi jong ka jingdap ba shisnem jong ka jingklat no jong ukpa barangba jong ki paj riungej ka balang Katolik jong ka rikasi barok kawai hanin kasingi ki no yalam jong ka Shillong Archdiocese kila penlong ya ka jingrakhe ban pendon burom ban kan mau ij ya ka jingdap ba shisnem jong ka jingklat jong ukpa barangba ki paj riungej ka balang Katolik jong ka rikasi barok kawai Archbishop Most Reverend Dominic Jala SDB DD Hakaba kila penlong da ka jingbu sentiu bat thang mombati halor umau jingtep jongu ha Cathedral Parish bat la penlong ru da ka jing leniam ka ba kerpang hakaba kila penlong ka jing kenya mas bakhoj ha ying mane ba jong ka jela ka Cathedral Parish ya kane ka jing kenya mas bakhoj la le do Most Reverend John Mulachira ubadeu Archbishop jong ka Guwahati Archdiocese ha ka jing simbentalang jong ki bishop ki balawan na ki Archdiocese bapher jong ka North East Kileng do so blay bat kisistar ki balawan na ka parish bapher jong ka jala ki bahiyang hasem jong u bat kinong ilam niam ki bahakmat jong ki parish bapher jong ka jala ha ka ne kasngi la yoru ya ka jing penlaj pajba da menteri rangba ka jala usri Conrad ke sangma ya artli ki kot kawai ka de ka kot souvenir ka balai kerteng the man and his vision kabamut ubriu bat ka jing yo i jengai ka jong u Ya kane la penbit penbiang da ka Shillong Archdiocese bat ka kot ka ba arpat kadai ka kot ka ba yathu shapang ka jingim jong uneu nong yalam niam barang ba jong ki paj riungej ka balang Katolik ka balai kerteng ngalong unong ab lang brod babah la penbit penbiang bat la penmi ya kane ka kot yathu kana da ka Catholic Mission Shillong Archdiocese House lai umkra Hakane keju kesngi la yoru ban penkub burom ya usam la pule uraju maring ubadei na kasenong mau pro na nong po Ribhoi district ubalawan syakmat hake examin SSLC jong usnem arajar arpau na kasilem jong Jyotis Road School Shillong ya kane kejing penkub burom latip kum ka First Archbishop Dominic Jala Memorial Award la pen ipu iping bat pen sengau tenat ru ya kane kejing le niam pendon burom da kisur jingruai ki ba melung da ki choir jong ka Shillong Archdiocese bat kum juru da kisur jingruai balarwai da ki bahiyeng hasem jong une ukpa kirungeng ha kane keju kasngi la la ru ban plidon burom ya usteshu jong Archbishop Most Reverend Dominic Jala SDB hayeng sa jong ki bahiyeng hasem jong u hamaulai phot muri ya une usteshu la te sungba da ki bahiyeng hasem jong u na kabenta ban burom bat kajing kan mau shi junom na kalyang kaying kasem hi barok kawai Laya sakhi bade simbentalang hakane ke jingrakhe da ki nong mikmat bat ki menteri jong sarkar jela ki bakentup ya deputy speaker ka sarkar jela uba metbha lengdo u menteri ka pule puthi ka sarkar jela uba lakmen rumbui u MLA jong ka jirang constituency uba sosteno sotun u MLA jong ka North Shillong uba Edelbat Nongrum u MDC jong ka Melim constituency uba Roni lengdo bat uba Bindo lanong ubade u nominated MDC jong ka KHADC bat kumjuru Laidon lang i Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District ikong RM Kurba.
The Archdiocese of Shillong has decided to institute an award. The aim of this award is to keep the memory of our loving Shepherd down the ages, so that the future generations will come to know this great personality who had contributed so much to the church and the society at large. This award is the effort of the different lay associations of the Archdiocese. The Association of Men, Kasenjuk Kiseng Rampan Catholic, the Association of Women, Kasenjuk Kiseng Ketei Catholic, the Shillong Archdiocesan Catholic Youth Movement, SACYM, and the Catholic Association of Shillong. We express our gratitude to them for their initiative in making this award a reality. The entire amount received from the sale of the profile and the pictorial biography of Archbishop Jala will go towards the fund created for this purpose. By instituting this award in honor of the late Archbishop, the Church also wants to show its appreciation for and encouragement either to an individual or to an institution for excellence in performance or significant contribution to the betterment of the society at large. We thank the selection committee for selecting the awardee. The first Archbishop Dominic Chala Memorial Award goes to a differently abled person for his meritorious performance in the last SSLC examinations, Mr. Raju Mari. He hails from Mafra village, Riboy district, and was a student at Jyotisho School, Shillong. The award consists of a citation and a cash award of rupees 12,000 only. May I now request Mr. Raju Mari, the recipient of the award, to come forward. I also request Reverend Father John Manu, the diocesan administrator of
to remember Archbishop Dominic Chala. Friends, I would just like to say that it has been a year now, and I think all of us miss him, and we all remember him, and of course we are all here to remember him. But I would like to say that I think we need to think of all the positive things that he did. We are all sad, we all remember how close he was to us. But I think we will be doing justice to him if we think about the good things that he did. I have been associated with Archbishop Dominic Chala for many years. In fact, it started off with my parents. He was the choir master when my parents got married in Turan. So that is how long back the relationship with Archbishop Dominic Chala goes. And when I came into politics, he was a person who guided me. I remember so many times when there were many issues that the state faced. Apart from being a religious leader, he had a lot of sense of responsibility towards society. I think our honorable members will remember, whenever there was an issue, whether it was to do with the church or whether it was to do with the people in general, Archbishop Dominic Chala would call all of us and tell us what he thought and ask us what we thought and try to build up consensus. And he did this across the denominations, across religious groups. I remember we had a lot of issues in the past. We needed peace committees to come. There were tensions across the city and across the state. And we would all look up to Archbishop Dominic Chala, that he would be the one who would bring everybody together. And he did it. He would call all different religious organizations, different denominations. And I think this is his greatest quality, the fact that he was accepted by all as a religious leader who could bring everybody together. I think that was one of his greatest qualities. And so I think today, when we remember him, as I said, let's remember him for the good things he did. As our Archbishop was mentioned, that we all will leave this world one day. And I think that's something we all know. And I think it's important that if we are worthy enough to see him after we leave this world, what are we going to tell him about what we did after he left this world? And I think the souvenir is a book which talks about what he did. I think we will be the living souvenirs when we see him again if we are worthy. And therefore I think it's so important that we remember and live by the qualities and the principles that he has laid down, and let those principles be the guiding force for all the decisions that we make in our life. I tell people that every time they go to speak in a public speech or anywhere, I always say a small prayer, asking God to speak through me. And somehow, being with Archbishop Dr. Chala, these kind of small principles have come into my being, into me, and I follow it. And I feel it helps me a lot. So I think we should be living souvenirs. I remember Archbishop Dr. Chala, let us celebrate his life. Let us celebrate who he was and what he did for our society. I thank his family members,